Congratulations! All those hours studying, taking tests, training finally paid off. Now you can see patients, take care of them, and help them heal. But don't forget all the other tests, classes, certificates you need to stay a doctor. All the different timelines, and that no one is around to tell you what, when, and where to do it. Just a cookie-cutter template. It's due next week. Well, if you're lucky. You weren't expecting all the regulations, tests, different timelines, and you definitely didn't think different organizations, hospitals, and insurance companies wanted different things. Who can keep track of what goes where and when, and spend time with patients, family, and friends, and pursue other passions? There is hope. Mocingbird is a platform that helps you overcome and break down the walls, relieve the burden. It is one site with one purpose, to bring everything you need to your fingertips so that you can spend time with a patient, a family, and even get an MBA like we did. The founders are practicing physicians, parents, and entrepreneurs using Mocingbird to create a better professional and personal life.